mga isko at iska and non-UP friends, I am Alex Iyala. Please come to the UPAAA 3rd Grand Reunion and Convention this October 17th and 18th, 2025 at the Westin Galleria Hotel in Houston, Texas. All are welcome. This grand event is a celebration of accomplishments of and for our UP Scholars ng Bayan. Come and celebrate with the Jubilarians, UPAAA awardees, and the other UP alumni. Let's remember, it takes a village to support an Scholar ng Bayan. Maraming salamat sa inyo, and please be there at the UPAAA GRC 2025 this October in Houston, Texas. And please join the UPAAA to support our Scholars ng Bayan.